Imagine a year from now, it all worked out. I'm living my dream. How would I be thinking? How would I be feeling? How would I be acting? What does that version of me do different than the version of me today? What does that version of you do? This is an important clue. How does the future version of you think, feel, and act? That's different than today, because that future version of you is experiencing results that are different than today. The more we can align with that future version of ourselves, the more we open up the flow of those results and more abundance, more joy, all the things this future version has that we're wanting to create. And this is exactly how you turn your mess into your message. Be willing to shake off perfect and be willing to step in right here and right now. So let's take a look at how we create our results in our lives. And what I'm about to show you, some of you have seen if you've gone through our certification, some of you may have seen through, other areas. And it's really tempting to think of this as simple, but I want to underscore the power of this idea, this concept, this model. You could literally spend a lifetime trying to master this model for yourself. And what I love is that anything that's simple, I always find it to be brilliant, because brilliance is in the simplicity. And so know this, every result first begins as a thought. Consider the clothes on your back right now. They were first a thought in the mind of the fashion designer. And then they got woven in and became clothes on your back. The car you drive, first a thought in the mind of the engineer, and then becomes the car. Every result is first a thought. Every result is first a thought. And thoughts generate our feelings. So let's just take a look at yesterday for a moment. Let's imagine you are building this coaching business. You're going to take the step. You're going to transition out of a career or out of one phase of your life, and you're going to launch this new phase of your life of life coaching. And let's imagine the thought that you think. I'll give you a little test right now. Let's imagine the thought that you think is, I'm not good enough. Who am I to share this message? Like, who's going to listen to me? I don't have what it takes. My life isn't perfect. Look at my results. Who's going to want to be with me? If those are the thoughts, what feeling do you think is going to accompany those thoughts? Now, those feelings must be expressed into our actions. And so let's say your actions represent fear, lack, depression, doubt. How powerful are the results that you're going to create? Because your actions create your results. If your actions are filled with doubt, uncertainty, lack, unworthiness, what kind of results are you going to create? Are you going to create the dream, or are you going to create something less than the dream? Right? You ain't creating the dream. I can guarantee you that. How do I know from experience? When I'm filled with doubt and uncertainty, I'm not creating great results. On the other hand, let's say the thoughts that you think are ones like, I've got what it takes, are ones like, I'm meant to do this, are ones like, all I need is the next step, are ones that say, I can serve people now. Let's imagine those are the thoughts that you're thinking. I'm called to this for a reason. What feelings are you going to generate inside when you're thinking thoughts that I'm meant to do this? There's a reason I'm doing this. I'm called for this for a reason. I can serve people now. And so those are the feelings you feel: excitement, joy, energy, empowered. And then from that, you not only access different ideas from that level, but you take different action. And that empowered action gives you empowered results. This, my friends, is called the law of cause and effect. Thoughts cause your feelings. Feelings cause your actions, and your actions cause your results. The law of cause and effect. See, but 99% of the people you will work with for the first time will look at their results, and then we'll call those their causes. But they're going to be too smart for that, actually. What they will do is they'll call them their B causes. And this is what humans do. And it's very, very easy for us to, and all of us do this at times. We look at the results and we call that our cause. And we say, well, I can't enroll in this certification because, and they look at their results, which is their bank account, because I don't have enough money. Well, I can't find the love of my life because of my age and everybody else is taken right now. Or I can't move forward because of my results, my past. and what I've gone through in the past, and that trauma is holding me back. I can't break free from that. They'll look at their results, either their past circumstances or their present results, and they will call those their causes. And so they'll look at their bank account and they'll say, well, I'm not worthy because I don't have enough money. I can't launch the business because I don't have enough money. That thought generates a feeling of unworthiness. That feeling then generates actions or inaction, and then they get the same result. This is why most people, it's called the cycle of circumstances. It just goes around and around and around. Most people live in this rut where they never change their lives. Mary will say some people live 99 years, but way more people will live 1 year 99 times. Those are just the same year over and over and over again. The way we change our lives is first to change our thoughts.